Hey guys, it's Sophia here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, and here's the fun. If you guys are wondering what I have here, it is a putty, but I actually made it slime. And I'll tell you all the ingredients, and it has to be exact ingredient. I use this water. It has to be. It could be any water, but it has to be this brand. Okay, so this one is a little weird. Head to toe baby lotion. I use this one because it makes it really smell good, and it's head to toe baby lotion. And this one, it smells really good and it gets really soft. So I would recommend this one, but you could use whichever one you want. And then this glue that I got from Walmart. You could use Glue Wall. You could use normal glue, clear glue, whatever, but I use this one because it's in a larger container. And when I'm done, I can empty it out and use it for slime. So, yeah. So, that's all I have to say. And it has to be, if you guys have these containers with, if you guys mixed them already, then I'm sorry, but you can't do it again. But if you have still these and you never played with it, I recommend you do this because it will turn out this color. So yeah, love you, Sophia Scott. Bye.